come true.
Lovers and friends, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time joining, I do hope you stay, you subscribe, and you become a part of Life with Munch. If you are a returnee, thank you so much for your dedication, time, and your effort. In today's video, I want to show you guys my filming setup and just show you that, you know what, you need to start with what you have, where you are, and then work for the things that you want. Okay, so if you are interested, just carry on watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Before we begin, I just want to say perfection does not exist. I don't think it's an actual thing. I don't think anybody should be seeking perfection. Number two, I understand that some of these things that I'm mentioning or showing you guys, they might not be like pretty or attractive. They might be ghetto or ratchet or whatever you want to call it, but they work for me. As ghetto as they are, they work. They do their job. I am comfortable enough to show everything on this video, so hey, and I just believe that this may help someone. This may give them that push that they have been waiting for all this time. I fall into the category of people who procrastinated to start their YouTube channel because that's on how I can. October 2018, I was like, you know what, it's my birthday month, let me do this. I started with my iPhone 6. If you are using your phone, please use the back camera, please. I know you can't see yourself, I know that. Another hack that I have learned is that to make sure that my phone is still recording, I put my mirror on the windowsill, so if I just lift my head like now, I'm looking directly at the mirror, so I can still see that, okay, I'm in shot. Like now I can see. I used the box method, so stacking up a couple of boxes or whatever you have in the house, like a table, an ottoman. Yay! At some point I think I actually put my phone on the windowsill, and then I put a ice cream container, then I balanced it using Vaseline. I think that's what I was doing, something like that. And then when I go home, this is what I actually encourage. Definitely use an ironing board because it's quite high, and then you can just put a box to give it more height if need be, and then that's your little studio. And then in terms of editing, I was using iMovie, which was fine until it did me dirty. I was in an abusive relationship with iMovie. That app I hated so much because there was a video I had 90% edited. iMovie crashed. It didn't want to open for up to 3 weeks, and I was not the only one. I remember on Twitter, like a couple of people were talking about it. So you know what, I had to download a new editing app, learn how to use this editing app. Everything you need to know about YouTube is on YouTube. I'm filming with my iPhone 6. I'm editing with KineMaster, which is free to download and use. However, there is a premium version which is 55 in a month, but I was still using the free version, which has a watermark, which at the time I didn't see it as a problem. So, and I was okay with it, and I was just like, oh. And like 55 rand is a lot of money when your finances aren't like in a good place, if I can say. January or February 2019, I purchased this adjustable tripod thing from MINISO, and I really just love the fact that you can adjust it for landscape or portrait. And then a few months after that, I got a little FONG tripod from ACKERMANS, which broke in like 2 seconds. But I could tell that the quality is like cheap line because it was also like 30 rand. Short, it was extremely short. Probably if I put it, it was maybe. In a few months after that, I got this tripod. I bought it at the perfect time because that's when I started going to events and all of those things, so I could vlog nicely, put my phone on a tripod. And what I love the most is the fact that it came with a Bluetooth remote. My only problem with it is that I could only film in landscape, so I couldn't film anything in portrait. November, I decided to purchase a ring light. I got it from One Day Only. It was 450 rand. This is a 10 inches, so that's 25 centimeters ring light. It comes with the tripod. Oh, by the way, currently the phone that I have, the phone I'm filming with right now, is an iPhone XR back camera because I know better now. And I put in my phone, it's doing this. It's like, then I realized that, you know what, the place where you mount the ring light to the tripod, that is not strong enough to support my phone. A couple of months down the line, the ring light detaches itself, but it doesn't completely fall over. So then that's when I knew that my phone is definitely too heavy for this, because it's not strong. The glue that they used, clearly she's not working. I then decided to use sellotape to keep the ring light together. Hi, I'm filming a morning routine, I think, for my IGTV. So I had to put my phone on the actual ring light on the holder. So I film my finish. Okay, then when I'm packing everything away, I'm cleaning. I think I was sweeping on the floor, yes. Then I put everything on the bed. When I put the ring light, did it not fall? Like, did it not fall? Like, as in, it broke, basically. It broke from the actual mount on the tripod. And I will try to show you guys now what I'm talking about. It basically cracked, so basically I can't screw it on the tripod anymore. I'm like thinking, okay, how am I going to do this? How am I going to put this ring light? So then I've placed it on the body of the adjustable tripod, the one from MINISO, and then I'm holding it in place so that it doesn't fall over using pecs. And I know because it's curved up, I just keep it there just in case. I feel like I prefer this method because the ring light is closer to my face, whereas when it was mounted on the tripod, it was a little bit further. So the distance between the actual tripod where I was placing my phone and where I'm sitting is like quite far apart because there's a table in between. So on the legs of the tripod, I have put ankle weights to pull it down, because remember, it's the tripod, then I've added this adjustable tripod, and then my phone is at the end. So obviously it's gonna, like, if it's like this, it's gonna tilt over that side. So if you are gonna buy a ring light, definitely go for a 14-inch going up. Like, I just feel like it's so much better, because even the light, I can't really film at night with just my ring light. I can get away with it because the editing app I use, I can adjust shadows, but like, there's shadows and I don't like that. Definitely worth the investment. I personally really do want to get another ring light because my natural lighting also, it's not that amazing, you know. Then I then got a microphone from CRUSADER. The audio of this iPhone is quite good, but I just feel like the microphone helps also try to eliminate sound. I do stay on the busiest street in Johannesburg CBD, so when you do hear beep beep beeps, it's literally because I'm literally there. And it also helps when I'm vlogging, because like I can talk right here and it's right here. Then the table, the wallpaper is also from PEP. My table is actually, what color is it? It's silver. You know those metal tables that you use at funerals, except this one is square. I just think I didn't do a very good job, especially around the corners. But I mean, it's okay, and I like the fact that you can wipe it down if you get makeup and things like that on it. My backdrop is a shower curtain, which I have covered the base of my bed with, and the wall, it's green and nude. And if you've been watching my previous videos, you will know this wall is the ghetto. I don't understand what they were thinking. And then what is new is this. I know right now in this shot you can't really see everything as it is. I'm going to try get another box so that it's a little bit higher, so that it is in the shot. And then I just also want to highlight that all the artificial plants I've had to fold, or bend rather. I've had to bend them so that they fit in the frame, and then I've placed them in a archer container because all the vases were just too long and I wanted everything to fit in this kind of angle, if you get what I'm saying. You know what, I do understand that it may be intimidating, especially if you watch videos of YouTubers who have soft boxes. They've got 2 ring lights, one on top, one on the side. They've got this other thing that reflects from the bottom. They've got a whole huge ass microphone. They have a monitor. Hey, you hear the prices. Oh, and then there's lenses. There's a Sigma lens, and then that is all great and well for people who are able to afford that, and I think it's a great investment, and if you are able, definitely go for it. But I'm also here to say that if you do not have access to those things, don't let it discourage you. If you believe that you have something to tell the world, sweetie, just go for it. Start with what you have, make it work. Spend time on YouTube learning DIY tricks, how you can fix this and fix that and make it work. You understand? I think I have covered everything. I've definitely covered everything. Just thoughts, okay? Just thoughts. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it informative. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Please share this video on your social media platforms and tag me. I would really appreciate if you did that. I would love my channel to reach a larger audience, and I really definitely need your help with that. And most importantly, subscribe. Stay tuning into the channel. See you next time. Bye.